Duterte! 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 Okay, next naman. Bring him home. Bring him home. 1, 2, 3. Bring him home. 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 Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for being here sa suporta natin kay Tatay Digong. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Okay na lang. Ano na lang tayo. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, pasalamatan po natin si DJ Arthur Amaro of Link Switch 1. Yung sound system natin ngayon. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. And everybody, maganda tayo. Hey to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Two lessons learned ngayon sa gabing ito. One is nagkaka-unite tayo in one cause, in which is to bring Duterte home. And the other one is we can also unite to unify our community. So yun lang talaga yung pinaka-importante. Different parts of the Philippines nandito. Luzon! Mag-ingay yung mga taga-Luzon! Taga-Visayas, mag-ingay! Sub-Sahara, mag-ingay! Ayan, maraming salamat. And one thing na naging supporter ako kay Tatay Digong is because tinanggal niya yung corruption during his term in government. Natatakot yung mga corrupt sa gobyerno. Ang saya, di ba? Before sila ng pera, natatakot na sila kasi si Tatay Digong yung presidente. Ngayon, natatakot pa ba sila? Wala na. So, pero tayo as a Filipino people, we have a voice. May voice tayo. We will use that voice peacefully. We'll use that voice and of course through prayers. We can always exceed